let's get started. I'll show you how this is going to work. All right, I want to walk you through the setup that I have in my truck here. I have two Yaesu radios, FT100M and a Yaesu FT8900. Both of the bodies are under the seat, and the 8900 has the signaling cable connected to it all the time, and it comes out here below the seat here. I also have in the car all the time, I got this little pouch, and in the little pouch, it's got everything to go to support connecting to Winlink. I have the signal link, and the signal link, the pinouts for this are already preset. It's all set up for this. It's set for 9600 baud, although it will down rate and work 1200 with the gateways that I might try to connect to, or other stations I might connect to that don't have that setting set up. So I've got that in there. I have cables in there all the time too as well. And the USB cable to connect the signal link to my laptop. In addition to that, I have the HT cable that connects up to a Kenwood handheld, which will also connect to, you know, most of the other radios, the Woshons that I like, Anytones, Quashang, any of the other ones that use this standardized connector. So I can not only connect with my car radio that's here all the time, but if I have a handheld, or if I need to pick this all up on the go, I need my laptop, I need this, and I need a handheld, I've got a portable station that I can take pretty much anywhere I want. Other stuff in this bag, I got a good programming cable for those Kenwood style handhelds, as well as an extra audio connector if I have to connect to a different radio, and the jumper pins, the tool to open up the signal link if I need to make some changes in the field, along with an extra cable. Behind the seat here, I have my connector, and I connect it to my signal link. So now I'm plugged into the radio, and I'll set the delay and the transmit and the receive, power the device on, connect my USB cable to it, to my laptop. Obviously I'm not going to do this while I'm driving, but a passenger could if they needed to. Fire up my laptop. It works a little bit better from the passenger seat, but it works here as well. Open the windows here. It's a little warm. I'll fire up my radio. Find the Winlink frequencies that I have pre-programmed in here for several different of the frequencies, as well as I could also just program it into the VFO manually. Log into my laptop, launch Winlink Express, open up Avara FM session, check my levels. I may adjust this a little bit. Check to make sure that the laptop still thinks the right sound card is in use. I think it may not be. Nope, it's the right one. And then I'll go ahead and start a session. And I got a lot of messages coming in, so I'm going to just download one or two of them for our example purposes here. there you go. There's a session completed. It's pretty easy. It's always set up to go at any time. At the same time, I could flip over to the other side of the radio and have a conversation. This radio will support 2 connections at a time. That's a nice feature of it. Plus this will do 70 centimeters, 2 meters, 6 meters, and 10 meters. I do also have it set up to do the 70 centimeter side. I'm not going to show you that right now. I hope this was useful. You know, any car that has a mobile rig that has that data port on it can be easily set up to do this. All you need is that signal link, the cable in there, and again, I leave that cable just in that thing all the time. So all I need to do is plug the signal link in quickly to it, and I'm up and running. Thanks a lot.
Explain.